shooter mission with Puma and SwitchBlade would have Puma as an overwatch looking for pop-up targets. Once a target is identified, it could quickly send that data to the SwitchBlade team, where they could quickly prosecute the target.
The primary purpose of SwitchBlade is to prosecute targets that have been identified either by the operators themselves or another ISR platform. SwitchBlade's patented wave-off capability can be for a number of reasons, whether the target developed a little bit too much, now there are non-combatants next to the target, or the target went away and the SwitchBlade operator, he doesn't want to prosecute what's actually in the target area. SwitchBlade disengage. Waving off. Disengage primary target. One of the main benefits of sensor to shooter is coordinate sharing and the video downlink, all packaged into one spot.
3, 2, 1, impact.